We share.
Tutorial questions and answers.
It is all about understanding facts and sharing with others.
Learning continues. We are learning to know, understand, and share with others.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.
The topic we shall consider in this video is General Biology 1. 2. Diversity and classification of living things. Question 1. What do you understand by the word taxonomy?
In science, taxonomy is the practice of classifying organisms.
Question 2. What do you know about the following words? A. Taxes. B. Nomos.
Taxes means arrangement and nomos mean method.
Question 3. Who developed the modern taxonomic system? How did it come up with it?
Swedish botanist Carolus Linnaeus developed the modern taxonomic system between the year 1707 and 1778. He used simple physical characteristics of organisms to identify and differentiate between different species, and is based on genetics.
Question 4. Mention some or all the members of domain, kingdom, phylum, and class.
Domain: Archaea, Eubacteria, Eukaryote. Kingdom: Plantae, Animalia, Fungi, Protista, Eubacteria, Monera, Archaebacteria. Phylum: Invertebrates, Vertebrates. Class: Fish, Bird, Mammal, Amphibian.
Question 5. Who introduced the taxon domain?
The taxon domain made up of Archaea, Eubacteria, and Eukaryote was introduced in 1990 by Carl Weiss.
Question 6. In summary, compare Archaea, Eubacteria, and Eukaryote.
Archaea, Archaebacteria, consists of Archaebacteria, bacteria which live in extreme environments. Eubacteria consists of more typical bacteria found in everyday life. Eukaryote encompasses most of the world's visible living things. The kingdoms Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia fall under this category.
Question 7. Notification. Do you know that most biologists now believe that there are actually about 13 to 14 million species alive today? Question 8. Notification. The tropical regions are incredibly rich in species. By comparison, the cooler temperate and Arctic regions have far fewer. In summary, most species live in tropical regions.
Question 9. Naming, describing, and classifying organisms into different categories based on their characteristics is a definition of what?
Taxonomy.
Question 10. Notification. The system of biological classification used today was created by Carolus Linnaeus. The botanist Carolus Linnaeus, Carl von Linné, described this system in an article published in the year 1735.
Question 11. Which of the Linnaean classification categories listed below is the highest level? A. Genus. B. Species. C. Sapiens.
Genus is one level higher than species. For instance, we are Homo sapiens. Homo is our genus and sapiens is our species.
Question 12. What do you know about viruses?
1. Viruses are not included in the Six Kingdoms system, since many biologists consider them to be non-living. 2. Viruses are smaller than bacteria and cannot, strictly, be classed as living organisms. 3. Each virus particle consists of a DNA or RNA core enclosed in a protein coat. 4. Viruses take over the host cell's physiology and make it produce new virus particles.
Question 13. Mention some facts on photosynthesis.
Plants make their food by photosynthesis. The plant kingdom contains multicellular eukaryotes that have autotrophic nutrition by photosynthesis.
Question 14. What do you know about A. Gymnosperms, B. Angiosperms?
Gymnosperm means naked seeds, and is from the Greek words gymno meaning naked and sperm meaning seed. In biology, the plants that grow cones are called gymnosperms. These are cone-bearing plants which lack flowers and fruits. Gymnosperms are non-flowering plants. Angiosperm means covered seed. 1. Have flowers, fruits with seeds. 2. Live everywhere, dominant plants in the world. 3. 260,000 species, 88% of plant kingdom. 4. Angiosperms are the most successful and advanced plants on Earth.
Question 15. Briefly discuss plant kingdom.
1. Multicellular, made up of lots of cells. 2. Organelles including nucleus, chloroplasts are present, and cell walls are present. 3. Their cell walls contain cellulose. 4. Make their own food by photosynthesis. 5. Non-mobile, fixed to one spot. 6. Conifer, ferns, mosses and flowering plants.
Question 16. Itemize some facts on animal kingdom.
1. Multicellular, made up of many specialized cells. 2. Cannot make own food, heterotrophic. 3. They have organelles including a nucleus, but no chloroplast or cell walls. 3. They have organelles including a nucleus, but no chloroplast or cell walls. 5. Sponges, corals, birds and mammals. 6. Can be further classified into vertebrates and invertebrates.
We share.
Tutorial questions and answers.
It is all about understanding facts and sharing with others.
Learning continues. We are learning to know, understand, and share with others.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.